Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to claim your YouTube official artist channel using Distrokid. So this combines your music, videos, topic channel, and subscribers into one official artist page. First, make sure that you have at least one release on YouTube Music through Distrokid and that your artist name matches your YouTube channel. Search your artist name with topic to confirm it is live. Next, prepare your YouTube channel by using the same artist name, adding a profile picture and banner, and uploading one public video. The channel must be public. It should be owned by you, focus on one artist, and free from violations. So once this is ready, log into Distrokid, and you need an active membership here to unlock special access and choose YouTube official artist channel. Then select your artist. Add the correct YouTube channel, check the link, and submit. And then Distrokid will send your request to YouTube for review, which may take several days or up to 4 weeks. And once it is approved, your topic channel will connect to your main channel and the music note badge will appear. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I will see you on the next video.